If you're a planner person like me, the new year means a brand new planner. But what I have learned in the past year using a planner is that you've got to kind of set that planner up if you want it to be effective for you through the whole year. Nobody seemed to tell me this when I got started with planners. So today I want to share with you how I'm setting up my simplified planner to get ready to use throughout 2019. Hi, my name is Trina. Welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new here, hello. On this channel, I create videos to really just help moms simplify and organize motherhood so that we can enjoy being a mom, because let's be real, being a mom is #surviving. One way that I have learned to really keep organized with kids, husbands, the house, and I also run my own business is to have an effective planning system that works. And so while I use a combination of PowerSheets, Simplified Planner, and Google Calendar, in this video I'm going to show you how I set up the Simplified Planner that then trickles through my Google Calendar and everywhere else. Like I said, the planner that I'm using this year is Emily Lay's Simplified Planner. And the reason why I decided to jump into a Simplified Planner, because in previous years I had used Erin Condren Life Planners, is because I read Emily Lay's book, A Simplified Life, and it honestly made me rethink so many different things, and it really just showed me a different way of thinking things. And so once I read this book, I was pretty much hooked. So when her Simplified Planners went on sale a couple months ago, I was like, done, I'm in. I bought it, and I bought a few for you to win as well. So stick around to the end of this video and you'll learn how you can win your very own Simplified Planner and a PowerSheets planner. So one of the things that is great about this planner is a lot of the prep work that it has you lay out in the beginning. So when you get the Simplified Planner and you start walking through it, there's some prep work, like, you know, what worked last year, what didn't work last year, ideas for new routines. I absolutely love this because one of my goals for 2019 is to set more routines in this house. Right now, we've just been trying to survive day to day, and I really want to get these routines going and in place so we all know what we're doing. Also, ideas for new healthy habits. It's always great to get back on that healthy track. I, before kids, was exercising every day, eating healthy, but when you have kids, you just try to get through the day and get everything done, and sometimes exercising doesn't happen. I also love that it wants me to think about what my weekly routines look like. So I was thinking about, like, what am I going to be cleaning on certain days? What am I going to be cooking? I only want to be cooking on certain days. I can totally make a big meal, say on Sunday or Mondays, and eat that for a couple days. So I want to think about what are going to be my busy days at work so that I have made a meal the day before so we can just eat leftovers. I, again, also want to get into more morning routine planning and evening routine planning. And I love that she has this simplified prep work. It goes a lot aligned with her book as well. So I can't wait to really start seeing some changes using this planner. One of the very first things that I did before I dug into my Simplified Planner was to set categories and colors for those categories. I bought those little dot stickers from the Simplified Planner shop, and I also thought I bought the flag stickers, but I didn't buy them yet, but they are right now being ordered. But I wanted to set up a color coding system that goes through my planner here, my Simplified Planner, my Google Calendar, and also my PowerSheets. So you'll see that my family color code is yellow, my business is this teal blue, clients and client calls, works are going to be green, and all of my home stuff is going to be this dark pink. So when I have a birthday or a family obligation, I want to get those yellow flags to flag not only the month spread, but also the daily spread so that I know we have something going on that day in advance. I'm a Sunday planner, so I sit down on Sundays, look at my week ahead so I know what's coming up. I will also use these colors in my Google Calendar as well, and my husband and I share a Google Calendar, so it just makes it easier for him to say, oh, if it's yellow, that's what I need to see. So the next thing I did is I have this perpetual calendar. It has all the dates of important people's birthdays, anniversaries, those things that don't change from year to year. So I grabbed that and I'm going to go through my Simplified Planner at the month spread and write them all down. If it is a birthday, I'm actually gonna go a week before that date and write myself a note that this birthday is coming up or this anniversary is coming up. So I know if I need to send a card, if I need to get a gift, if I need to plan a party, I'm given a heads up. And so I don't just flip the page that week and think, oh crap, I've got to get a card out and it needed to be sent yesterday. The next thing that I'll do is I will go back to my monthly spread again and mark out any vacations or any traveling with washi tape. Again, this is gonna allow me to see my month at advance, and then when I go to the daily spread, I'm going to go ahead and put washi tape there as well, just to remind myself that I will be planning or out of town or it's a staycation, so I know not to plan anything there, because this then will allow me to remember to go to my Google Calendar and block those days off so that nobody can schedule a call with me or I don't schedule anything on those days as well. The next thing that I'll do is I'll go back to my Power Sheets planner and I'll start to look at the goals that I planned for 2019 and how I'm breaking them up. So in the month spread, I'm going to write those things that were in my tending list for that month. So what are the little steps that I have to complete this month to achieve my goal by the end of the year? So I'm gonna put all of those tiny steps here in the month spread so I know what I need to achieve. And then what are the smaller tasks that I need to get done for those goals? Those are the ones I'm going to start trickling through on the daily pages. Now, I'm not a huge sticker person and I'm a busy mom, so I don't have time to put a lot of stickers on. I'm really just going to be using a lot of the dot stickers and the flag sticker. There's also some stickers that come with this in the front of the Simplified Planner, so those may be fun if I get time to put them in. But again, usually on Sundays when I plan out my week, I just sit down to figure out everything that's going on. I maybe have an hour to map that out before kids get up from a nap, or I've got to start meal prepping. So stickers and colored pens just aren't going to work for me this year. That's why I'm sticking with the Lay pen, the black pens that I have right here. These are the pens I'm going to be using throughout the entire planner. I'm just going to be using those dots to color code things. I have found when I try to use different pens for different things, I start messing up what pen is for which category, and then I'm somewhere that I don't have that pen when I need to write it down, and it just gets too confusing. So I'm just sticking with black pen this year with the color-coded stickers. Now, the last thing I'm doing in my Simplified Planner that I've never really tried before is I'm going to put one bucket list item for every single month. So something that I hope I either can do, like a massage, or go to the science museum with the kids, or my husband and I go on a date night and actually stay at a hotel for a night so we can remember what life was prior to kids. But I really want to start putting bucket list items each month so I know these are the bucket list items I want to do, and here's how I'm going to get them done. If I don't set time to do those, it's not going to happen. One little bonus thing that I'm going to do, if you happen to run your own business like I do, I'm going to be putting flag stickers on specific days of the month, every single month, that I block off just for working in my business. So that means tracking my KPIs, my key performance indicators, looking at my revenue goals, getting my taxes done. I have not done this enough. I had good intentions every single year to do this and it never got done. So I'm just blocking those days off. I'm gonna block them off on the monthly spread. I'm gonna block them off on the daily spread. And I'm also gonna block them off on my Google Calendar so nothing can get scheduled those days. I need to make this a priority. And if you have a business, you've got to make that a priority for yourself every month as well, or it just gets knocked down on the priority list and it never gets done. Now, if you want to win your own Simplified Planner and Power Sheets, there's a link down in the description box that's going to tell you exactly how you can win. There's only a couple more days left for you to win, so make sure you get that link so that you can enter to win. I think you can have up to 12 entries before the deadline. Now, moving forward in 2019, I'm going to be doing more plan with me videos so you can see exactly what my daily spreads and weekly spreads look like. Now, if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you click subscribe. And if you want to see more about my Simplified Planners and getting it all set up, make sure you click the video that's on your screen right now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.